Hi, how you doing? It's Aaron. In this video, I'm going to show you the steps necessary to replace a headlight, or headlights if you're doing two, on a Nissan Titan, years 2004 to 2015. Here we go. First things first, sorry about the background noise. We have a guy cutting some travertine with a large saw, so that's what that is. First step that we're going to do is remove the front grille. We got to remove it to get to the electrical connectors that are connecting to the headlights. And there's a couple bolts. I believe there's 2 bolts that we're going to have to remove in order to get the headlight off. The grill is kind of covering them. So first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to remove the 4 plastic little grommets that are right here. This grill has been removed before, so these aren't the original grommets. The original grommets are little pins, are very delicate. If you have an older truck, I really recommend you take your time to remove them. It might be worth your time to go down to Nissan and buy 8 of them, just so if you do break them, you can replace them. They're extremely brittle. Chances are they're going to crumble when you go to remove them. There's 4 up top, and I believe 4 on the bottom. Like I said, this grill's been off before by somebody. I just bought this truck, so the bottom's actually quite loose. I'm going to figure out something there. Probably have to go down to Nissan and buy those clips. Once you have your grill removed, there's a bolt on each side right here and an electrical connector. This side of the wiring harness stays with the headlight. This side of the wiring harness stays with the vehicle. So what you want to do is you want to get yourself a flathead screwdriver. There's a little pin that you have to depress and turn it, and it'll come right out. Easy as that. Next step is to remove the 8mm bolts, or 5/16 will work too. Go ahead and remove those. Next bolt is located up on top. Go ahead and remove that one. Your third and final bolt is going to be behind this part of your wheel well. There's a couple pop rivets that you're going to need to remove. You don't have to take the thing completely out. The third bolt is going to be located right here behind the headlight. Once you remove that, the headlight is pretty much free to be removed. Once you have all 3 bolts removed, go ahead and take your headlight and come straight out with it. What you're going to notice, let me put it on the table here, is this little lower trim piece comes with it. Be careful with it, because as you see, you're going to need to remove it to put it on your new headlight. There's these little push pins that are inserted here. They break easily too. I don't know if they're made out of the same material that the grill pins are made out of, but they're very brittle, so be careful. So removing this piece is, sorry about that. So when it's in here, it's like that. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take the whole entire piece and scoot it this way and then pop it out. That's kind of how it goes in. If your new headlights don't come with these little plastic pieces, you'll need to swap them to the new headlights. Alright, once you get your headlight on, before you put your grill back on, make sure all the lights are working. Low beams, high beams, turn signals, and marking lights. Put all of the plastic clips back that you can. I still have to order mine from Nissan. Make sure your grill doesn't fall off, because it could if these don't go back on right. I hope this video has been helpful. I hope you guys like and subscribe, and have a good one.